What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. And I know the other day it was unboxing the Pit Boss, pretty cool. But you know, today I still got hides in the freezer from last year, so we're gonna be making us a skin and a fleshing beam. So best thing we can do, and the easiest thing we can do, make it out of PVC, a couple 2x4s. And I'll have all the specs for you for what I did, and I got it off of another TV show, YouTube channel on here, and I'll have that link in the description below. But anyway, it seems pretty legit to me, so that's what I'm gonna build. I'm gonna use it's 4-inch PVC pipe, and I think altogether it's like two 2x4s. And luckily I already had some that was pre-cut, and I just had to trim them up a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna have it all set together, and you're gonna watch me do it. Maybe y'all can do it yourself too. Gonna save you some money. Let's get to it. So first things first, let's go ahead and set our saw to a 10-degree angle. So the two leg pieces, you're gonna cut them on a 10-degree angle, but you're gonna have to cut them opposites at each end. So just remember that. It's not gonna be the same angle. It's a 10-degree angle, but it's opposite of the one on the bottom or the one on the top. And by no means am I a carpenter, so y'all don't pick on me too bad, because it's gonna work, but it's not gonna be perfect. But I'm gonna try to get it perfect. So right here we're going ahead and cutting our 60-inch piece for the middle, for the main piece. So once you cut your PVC on a 45, hand sand it, get it smooth. Says 24 inches. Take quick. That's not for you, sir. Only. We ain't got enough to try it. Alright, so now we got all our pieces cut. Everything should be cut. So this is the frame of it. This is your flesh and beam. This is what you're gonna put your furs on so you can have a smooth surface. Those are the cross braces across here. And we got this 10-degree angle, and we're fairly straight right there. And we got a little gap, so this will slide in freely right here. So now we're just gonna start placing our wood. And this is where we at. It don't got to be perfect. before. Throw the other two on top. And that area there. Well, as you can tell, there's a lot of thinking going on down there, and I mean, can't help it. I got a little ADHD, so I'm trying to think of other stuff I want to do, and at the same time build this. So y'all don't pick on me too bad. I mean, there's a lot of mouses running in my head right now. So anyway, we're gonna put the rest of the screws in. We're gonna secure it real good, and that's gonna be it. I mean, it's basically done. But y'all continue to watch, and don't forget to give me a good thumbs up and leave a comment, please. We ain't been getting a whole bunch of comments, so just saying, give me some comments and leave some thumbs up. So thank y'all.
What are you making, Daddy?
A flesh and beam for the raccoon hides.
Daddy, what are you building?
A flesh and beam.
Huh?
Flesh and beam.
What's a fleshing beam?
A fleshing beam.
A fleshing beam?
Yeah. For when we catch raccoons. Say hi to your fans.
Hi.
Alright. There we did it. That's gonna be it. Yes, sir. Yeah, we better put them on the bottom, huh? Let's go ahead and secure the flesh and beam with the PVC, and we're gonna put 2 3-inch screws in there, and that baby's done. And that's our fleshing beam, guys. When you're done with it, right down the middle, whoop, go hang him in the corner. This is it. That's all there is to it. I love it. I think it's gonna be used for years to come, man. It's really neat. And it's adjustable. If you want it in your chest, freaking, it's awesome. I'm really glad I did it. I think next one though, I'm gonna make 30 inches of pipe because I'm a little bit taller than the lady I think that was in there. And I need some finer grit sandpaper, kind of smooth that off. But after that, dude, it's good. Woo! That's it. I used 2.5 inch screws, and I used 3 inch screws for the fleshing beam and the PVC. So yeah, there it is. So I guess next video we're gonna have to flesh some raccoon hides and some deer hides I got. Shoot, yeah, I'm ready to try it out. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.